Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today we're going to learn to make desiccated coconut at home from fresh coconut. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. To start with, I have cut open one fresh coconut here. Let's grate this using a coconut grater or scraper. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. One thing to be noted that we are going to grate only the white fleshy part. Please do not reach the shell of the coconut because it will lead to brown coconut shavings. So here we have finished almost grating 3/4 part of the white flesh. Now the remaining part you can use for coconut chutneys or for extracting coconut milk. So we'll keep this aside. So this one plate of grated coconut consists of 75% or 3/4 of one whole coconut, that is fresh coconut. Next, to make desiccated coconut, we'll heat a pan. Keep the flame very low and we'll transfer the grated coconut into this pan. Now keep on stirring continuously. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes. The moisture content from the coconut needs to dry up. Now after about 5 to 7 minutes, check the coconut. When you pinch and see the coconut, you can see slight moisture content. So we will continue stirring until it turns dry. So it's been almost 15 minutes. Now you can see that the coconut has turned out to be slightly flaky and powdery. So that means it is almost ready, and the color has also changed to a little bit of off-white color. So we'll switch off the flame. Don't allow the coconut to remain in the pan itself because it will burn or turn into brown color. Transfer it onto a plate and allow it to cool down. Once it cools down, store in an airtight container or make use of them this festive season for making coconut laddus, modaks, etc. I hope you all like this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.